Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the domain and SSL. First, check the whois or domain age to see if it's newly registered. Once done, verify the site shows HTTPS and a valid padlock. Click it to view certificate details. Also, scan the homepage for spelling errors, low-quality logos, or broken images, because these visual clues often reveal hurried replicas. If any of these tests fail, mark the site as suspicious and proceed to deeper checks before entering data. Next, compare the content against the official source. Copy-pasted or poorly rewritten text is a red flag. Then hover every link to reveal the destination URL. Watch for subtle misspellings or extra subdomains that impersonate the real site. Also, test contact details. Call the phone number, confirm the physical address, and check for matching company registration if relevant. These steps expose cloned pages and phishing redirects, so take your time and document anything that looks off. To finish, simulate a transaction without committing sensitive info. Use a virtual card or payment with buyer protection and avoid wiring money. Once done, open your browser's developer tools to inspect loaded scripts and network requests. Look for calls to unfamiliar domains or data exfiltration. If anything appears malicious, block the site, report it to the hosting provider, and contact your bank immediately. One troubleshooting tip: if you're blocked from viewing dev tools, try another browser or an isolated device. That often circumvents stealthy blocking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.